Today, but my husband picked some crates of pears off of our pear tree, but these will need to set like a week generally. It's best to pick your pears a little bit early and then let them ripen off in the tree. So let's go on out to the garden and pick some ground cherries. So here's our row of ground cherries, and you can see they're like a low, sprawling type bush. I think I have about 12 plants here. Let's get harvesting. So you can see the ground cherries just real sprawling on the ground, and you kind of lift up it and you gather the ground cherries that are on the ground. This is how you know they're ripe. And that's what's inside. I'm going to be making some ground cherry pie filling. These are so tasty. We've already harvested this much, and we've got a lot more to harvest. So you can see this one plant starting over here, going all the way across to here. So this one plant you can see spans about 5 feet, and you can see how low it is to the ground. Like, it just sprawls all over. Well, be sure you like and subscribe to see us canning some ground cherry pie filling.